Hi everyone, welcome to Work Experience. I want to talk a little bit about the Canvas course so you know exactly what we're using it for. You can see on our front page, Canvas for Work Experience is pretty bare bones. It's not, there's not going to be a lot of things going on Canvas. It's basically, like it says, a communication tool, a repository for all your important documents and links, and where you're handing in some of the digital or virtual or physical assignments that I actually need from you. So on this front page, you'll see just some things to get started. You'll also see a lot of important links. So the link that will take you directly to the Work Experience website, where you'll find a lot of these documents already. A link that will take you to the toolkit, where you'll get all of those web forms that you'll be filling out. Any of the FAQs, questions you may have. You'll also see your student handbook, your supervisor overview, the online form checklist to make sure you're completing all of your forms or just keeping up with them, the letter to give your supervisor before you get started, and the worksheet for your smart learning objectives and some information on that. So that's all there on the front page. There's not a lot of pages on our Canvas page. If you click on the syllabus, you'll see all of the deadlines for some of the documents. If you notice, some of these will be physical things you hand in, and some of them will just be check things you may have handed in virtually, like any of the forms when you register or forms at the end of the semester, and some of them are the actual assignments, which we'll look at in a second. You also see the syllabus right up here as a PDF. Under modules, you'll see our one learning module for this course. It's pretty straightforward. That welcome page, which you can click that next button and it'll take you to the next assignment or the next page. It's, again, really simple, really straightforward, links to your assignments. If you want to find all of your assignments, you can click on the assignment page. You can also click through to next, and you'll see all the things you actually have to upload. So there's 3 assignments you actually have to physically upload, which we'll talk about in the orientation, but you can see them all here. And the button for submitting that assignment, you'll be able to upload your assignment. You'll also see these assignments. If we let's cancel this. If you just go under the assignments link, like it mentioned in that second link, you'll see all of your assignments. So some of them are the physical assignments you have to hand in, like your career work activity education plan, which again we'll talk about in the orientation. And some of them are like this cumulative work record. This is another form online that you'll be submitting, and I'll be getting notice of it, and I'll give you points this way. So some of the assignments don't have anything that you're actually submitting. It's just letting you know so you can keep track of your grade. So you can see all of them here. So if you look on your homepage for the course, you'll see the to-dos coming up. Anything with this little pen and paper has something that you're physically handing in. I'm not sure why the cumulative work record has one, but you can see the site supervisor final evaluations don't have those. So if you have any questions about how to navigate Canvas, just let me know. It's pretty simple, nothing fancy. Oops.